In the today's video, we will see how to add these types of email symbols in MS Word. So without wasting much time, let's start the video. To add symbols like this, click on Insert, go to Symbols, click on More Symbols, select here Sigoi UI emoji and in the subset select extended characters plain 1 this and search email symbol here, click on it. Here you can see email symbol and click on insert. To add another symbol, just click on it and select insert. Like this you can insert a multiple symbols of email. If you want another symbol of email, click here and select Sigoi UI symbol and search here same extended character plain 1 and search a email symbols here. Now here I am seeing that these email symbols, just click on it and insert it. Like that you can insert whichever email symbol that you want from here only. Just close it. Here you can add your email abc@yourgmail.com like that. So hope this video is helpful to you. If yes, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.